Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya Thorat. Oh my god, I really miss saying this. I'm here on campus after so long for my convocation. Yes, it's happening. So this is the room that is allotted to me. I'm staying here in Q block 406. You can see it's so empty right now. And it just feels like I'm back to square one, but then I realized that probably it's the last square, and the convocation is day after tomorrow. So tomorrow we have this pre-convocation ceremony going on. I'll show you that as well. So the campus is the same, the sunsets are the same. It's just that everything around me, everything around else is changing, and right now here it's just me. All my friends are gonna come tomorrow, and I know once everyone comes, it's gonna be so chaotic, emotional, fun. Yes, I just wanted to record this properly because it's such a huge moment for me, and I don't want to like miss recording this video. I know I'm making vlog like after so many months. I don't know when I posted my last video, but this moment is something different. It's very very close to my heart because it's just 2 years of hard work, 2 years of deadlines, presentations, tests and exams, friendships, breakdowns, growth. Everything has led to this moment, and yeah, so I just wanted to record very very properly. So yes, welcome to my convocation vlog, and I'm gonna show you the Flame Convocation 2026.
With nothing much to do, I just started walking around the campus, got chai, got dabi. And then I saw the convocation setup, the chairs, the stage, all of it. And I was like, okay, wow, we are actually graduating. I don't remember every lecture from the last 2 years, but I do remember this particular view. I have watched so many sunsets here.
I love Flame. I'm just kidding.
Hi Shreya, missed you so much. बोला मैंने रिएक्शन देना था वो तो दे दिया.
Oh my god!
साली सो के क्यों नहीं दी तू?
मैं
हाँ.
कैसा लग रहा है श्रुति 2 साल बाद ब्रेकफास्ट करके?
पहली बार ब्रेकफास्ट करती हूँ. कुछ अंदाज आया नहीं कितना लेना चाहिए कितना नहीं. पेट भर के ले लिया. पेट भर गया.
जश
हाय श्रेया, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड. कैसा लग रहा है? कल कॉन्वोकेशन है.
आई थिंक लास्ट मतलब ये जो 2 साल फिल्म ने जो मेमोरीज दी है, आई थिंक इट विल बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेमोरीज टू चेरिश फॉर एवर. जो फ्रेंड्स फिल्म थ्रू मिले हैं,
ओह माय गॉड.
आई थिंक दे शुड कीप इन टच.
ओह या.
ऑल द बेस्ट टू एवरीवन फॉर देयर फ्यूचर एंडेवर्स. एंड या, दिस इज इट. It's all coming to an end.
यस.
It's end of beginning. It's goodbye. It's goodbye.
मैं निक.
So the pre-convocation ceremony, once that was done, it was time for badge photos, basically a rehearsal before the actual convocation. We got to know where to go, where to sit, when to walk, and all the important things, so we don't embarrass ourselves the next day, which as expected took way longer than planned. After that, we rushed to catch the shuttle and headed to Arjuna. And guys, they had assigned seats with our names on them, and look at mine.
ये बोले भाई.
हाँ.
बड़ा दबा देना चाहिए इंसान से.
We are gonna miss you. मैं डालूंगी Anjana, how are you feeling that you're graduating tomorrow?
Very overwhelming. I still feel like I'm a kid, but I just can't believe I'm graduating tomorrow. I miss everything, like this view, the sunset, you,
और भाई कैसा था मेरे रूममेट रूमीस?
the best roommate.
Beautiful view.
Oh my god, we are running late. We need to catch the 8:20 shuttle. Let's go.
संजू किधर है सब लोग? जल्दी रन रन रन.
Hey bro, this is cheating bro. Like very disadvantageous for us.
तुम लोग ये कट कर दूंगी मैं. This is not gonna come on my vlog.
इतना अच्छा vlog बोल रहे हैं देखो, और तू कट करना.
Oh sorry Shruti, how are you feeling that you're graduating today?
Take two. बोली तो बहन को.
क्या बोली? Sad.
अरे वो बहन चो जल्दी चलो.
बट तेरे रिएक्शन से तो नहीं लग रहा, तू तो बहुत खुश लग रही है घर जाने के लिए.
मैं मतलब ऐसी फीलिंग है कि कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है तो खुशी भी हो रही है. तुमसे बिछड़ रही हूँ यार.
Oh my god.
तुमसे बिछड़ रही मैं तो छाती ठोक कुछ नहीं. इसको सिर्फ नेल्स दिखाने थे इसलिए ऐसे हाथ कर रही थी तब से.
देखा ना नेल्स.
एक नंबर. तेरे को पता है नेल्स ऐसे अगर बोला करने के लिए तो कैसे करना चाहिए? हाँ चल बता. अरे ऐसे शाइन करते उसको कैसे करना चाहिए? देख ले. तेरे को भी नहीं आते. ऐसे ऐसे के पंच उड़ रहे नहीं, ऐसे धीरे से करना होता है.
ये शादी में कुछ तो सीख के आई वैसे.
करता है लड़की बनना.
राठी, टेल मी हाउ आर यू फीलिंग दैट यू आर ग्रेजुएटिंग टुडे?
I'm feeling very mixed emotions, like good feeling also, very bad feeling also. Bad in that way that we'll not see Flame ever again, and we'll not hang out with these cuties. And good कि बस अब खत्म हो गया Flame. अच्छी बात है.
Hey guys, so today is the most important day. Breakfast खाना है, अंगवस्त्रम कलेक्ट करना है. वो सब करके me and my friend will go to a salon to get our hair done. And yes, उसके बाद ready हो जाएंगे and then the convocation is gonna start at 5:20. So stay tuned.
Outfit.
'And your siblings, your family will be next to you with unconditional love, unconditional support. So always give them your topmost priority and never take them for granted. Grow.
2 years ago, I came to Flame hoping to build a career. I had no idea I would leave with so much more than that. This journey challenged me in ways I never expected. It pushed me out of my comfort zone, tested my patience, and taught me lessons far beyond the classroom. I became more confident, more independent, more resilient, and a little more sure of the person I want to become. But when I think about Flame, I don't just think about the lectures or assignments. I think about the long walks around the campus, the sunsets that somehow got never old, the familiar paths I walk almost every day without realizing how much they would mean to me one day. Every corner of this campus holds a memory, a moment I'll always carry with me. And honestly, I don't think I have ever seen a campus as beautiful as this one. Over the last 2 years, Flame taught us that luxury isn't just beautiful buildings or breathtaking views. It's having the space to grow, to explore, to meet people who change your life, and to create memories you look back on years later with a smile. Thank you, Flame, for everything.